Hi guys, this is Juliane with vlog 21 episode 18 today, and this goes out to all the ones worrying right now about something. Don't you worry, and don't you worry alone. That's the advice I can give you. I try to do that all the time. When I worry about something, I usually try to reach out to people that uplift me. People that give me a good vibration and maybe see things from a different point of view. So they get me into a different spiral. So reach out to people that are uplifting, not the ones that bring you further down. So that usually helps already, and it changes your perception. Maybe through a change of perception, a point of view, you can find even the solution, because usually what it does, it helps you see things from a different angle, and then solutions pop up, the solutions where you might have not thought about before, and they come like, whoa, this is easy peasy, why haven't I thought about that before? So yeah, don't worry alone. Reach out, and if there's nobody to reach out to, then what you can also do is ask yourself that question, what could I be doing instead of worrying right now, in that moment? What could you be doing instead of worrying? That usually helps me a lot, because well, it brings me to the moment where I just do something total opposite of worrying. So I usually do my 5 minutes then, my 5 crazy minutes. That's something I mentioned before in another video I posted a while ago. And what it does, it's shifting your vibration. So when you're worrying about something, you're in a very low mood and a very low vibration. So when you do something that is totally opposite, and then do something weird, maybe, or funny, or scream or sing or dance or whatever, then this right away uplifts your vibration, and that's what you want to achieve with this shift. Basically, and it clears your mind, and when you have a clear and calm mind, that's usually also the moment where you find the solutions coming more easily to you. So that's another advice I can give, and embrace your funny moments every day. I think every day we should have those moments, and make them a part of our life, because there is not so much we have to worry about, and we usually make it bigger than it actually needs to be. But that's because of the little voices we have in our head, and they always talk bad, and we don't need that. Just tell them off, tell them to go away. Alright, so don't you worry, everything's gonna be alright, like in the song. And guys, I hope you reach out. If you need me, do that on Facebook or on YouTube, and I see you tomorrow with the next video. Bye bye.